Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to create a trigger to prevent negative values in the table. So first I will show my table. This is my EMP table which contains 4 columns. So salary is one of the columns. So I want to create a trigger for not entering any negative values in the salary column. So for that we can also use the check constraint to prevent the negative values in the table. But here my intention is by using trigger how to prevent negative values. Create trigger. So trigger name here prevent negative. Sure. This is my trigger name. So next on which table? On EMP. EMP is my table name. Next. So what is the type of trigger? So here I am using instead of trigger, instead of insert. So as begin. Now here I'm writing my logic. So insert into EMP, insert into EMP. So mention your column names ID, comma, name, comma, sal, comma, DEPT. Okay. Select ID, comma, name, comma, sal, comma, DEPT from magic table inserted. From inserted, so this is the magic table. We cannot find anywhere in the database. Just at the time of the creation of the trigger, so we are using this magic table. Insert this inserted in the magic table. Okay, where you can mention your condition, where shall greater than or equal to 0. So this is the condition. Okay. Now I need to raise the error to give the message after finding the trigger. Okay. So what is the message here? If exists, select star from magic table inserted where shall less than 0. Okay, shall is less than 0. Now here I am writing begin and end. Begin. Here my raise error is raise error. So what is the raise error here? Shall cannot be negative. Salary or shall cannot be negative. Okay. So this is my error. So here severity is 16 and 1. Error type is 1. Okay. We can end with 2 ends. So here we started with 2 begins and end with 2 ends. End. So this is the trigger. So here I am creating this trigger code one more time. So I am creating trigger. This is the trigger name on EMP table. So instead of trigger, instead of insert, as begin. So this is the syntax. Insert into this table for these columns. Select ID name for these tables from inserted. This is the magic table where salary is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So if exists salary from the magic table where less than 0, then we can get the message. See the error message. Okay. Now I am creating this trigger. Okay. Where do you want your trigger? Triggers is always saved in the database at table level. You go to your EMP and expand this trigger. Oh, I'm checking for department. Okay, sorry. EMP and refresh your triggers. So here you find trg underscore prevent a negative sal. Okay, this is my trigger. Now I am going to insert one negative value in the trigger, sorry, in the table. I'm trying to insert one negative value. Insert into emp values. So here, so how many records are there in the table? In the table it contains 6 rows. Now I am inserting the 7th row with negative value. 7, comma, some name I am giving. Okay, some negative value I am taking here, and department name I am giving. Okay, I am inserting this record into the table. Salary is a negative. Okay, see here. So sal cannot be negative. This is the raise error message. And if you check the table whether it is inserted or not, you cannot see any ID number 7. So this is how you need to create a trigger to prevent negative values in your. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.